Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use School Form 2. This essential document helps us gather crucial student information, ensuring a smooth academic experience for everyone. It's typically required for all enrolled students from kindergarten through 12th grade and plays a vital role in maintaining accurate records. Understanding its purpose and how to complete it correctly is the first step towards a hassle-free process. Let's dive into the details. To complete Form 2 accurately, begin by gathering all necessary student details, such as their full legal name, date of birth, and current address. You'll need to fill out sections 1 through 5 with precision, paying close attention to any medical or emergency contact information. A common pitfall is leaving fields blank or providing outdated details, which can cause delays. Double-check every entry to ensure all information is current and correct before moving on. Once you've meticulously completed Form 2, the next step is submission. Typically, the form should be submitted to your school's main office or the designated administrative staff. Be mindful of the submission deadline, which is usually within the first 2 weeks of the academic term. Remember to attach any required supporting documents, such as proof of residency or immunization records, as specified in the instructions. Incomplete submissions may require resubmission, so ensure everything is included. To ensure a smooth process, always double-check all entries on Form 2 before submission. If you encounter any questions or uncertainties, don't hesitate to seek assistance from your school's administrative office. They are there to help. Many schools also provide a frequently asked questions section on their website, offering quick answers to common queries. Taking a few extra minutes to review and confirm details can save you significant time and effort later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.